Now, I didn't really have a recipe when I started with collard greens, and let's get into it now. I didn't do that. I waited to the last minute. I soaked them for about 2 hours. I put them in a pot. Also took some pork chops out. Now, these are pork chops I purchased at the local grocery store. Pretty cheap, but very good, very tasty. For the pork chops, I took a dry rub, Stubbs pork dry rub. It sit for a couple hours, let it marinate in that. I chopped up some garlic, chopped some white onion, chopped about half of it pretty fine, left the other half coarse. Collard greens, chopped them up, not too small, fairly good size. You want good chunks of collard greens in there. You want it to be able to see the green. Take some of the fine chopped onions and saute them up in some olive oil, extra virgin. Take the chopped collard greens. I put them in the pan with the onions sauteed in the olive oil. Added some water to help steam the collard greens, and 4 cups of water. Bring it to a boil. Add some black pepper. Add the coarse onion to the mix, and drop your smoked ham hock in there. Also, drop in your collard greens and sauteed onion. Pork chops. It's been a couple hours they've been marinating. Put them in the oven at 250 degrees, let them cook for a while. I took the aluminum foil off the pork chops with about a half hour left to cook. I let them cook at 300 degrees there for a while to make sure they get up to temperature and get kind of a good brown on there. And here you can see it plated. Man, it looks good. It tastes excellent. Very good. I mean, I surprised myself on this one. It turned out excellent. Thank you for watching.